Good morning, guys. Laundry is going. Are you guys ready for this? Are you ready? This is the situation right now. You guys. Me and Bart are ridiculous. I can't believe this. This apartment is so out of control right now. It's so messy. We, of course, went out to dinner, had so much fun, got home, and just were like, we're not gonna pack, we're gonna watch the Dodger game. Which, the Dodgers lost, you guys. The Dodgers lost. It's okay. They have another chance today. They have another chance today to pick it up and win. So today we are flying. So it's about 10 o'clock. Bart is walking Francis, and then he has to go get a haircut. I am finishing up editing my video from yesterday, trying to get that out for you guys, and I'm just like looking around. I'm just like, got a lot to do. We don't have to leave for the airport until between 2:30 and 3 is when, around that time, we should start getting to Penn Station, because I think we're gonna take the train direct to Newark. Because we've tried to drive before and we've missed a flight because it's so, there's so much traffic trying to get over to Newark, and it takes a while. So yeah. Are you excited to go to Italy?
I know, I am excited, but...
Babe, what's going on right there?
What?
We're breaking out. Me and Bart are breaking out. Yeah, he's like, what is going on? You guys, like, this is legit the situation right now. We're trying to get ready to go, and so we're laying out all of our stuff, and I'm thinking all of this isn't gonna fit into my carry-on. We're trying to be so, like, slick. We're trying to be so cool, like, oh, we're just packing carry-ons, right, guys? We're only doing carry-ons. We're not checking a bag. Not sure that's gonna work. We're really trying. How are you doing, babe? Look, you're doing really good. You're doing better than me. Wait, these are mine. Are you taking all of this?
I don't know, I was just full of them off.
Okay. Packing is tedious.
Maybe shorts?
Am I bringing shorts? No, Siri said it's gonna be like, I'm like, where is Siri? Siri said it's gonna be like 60. Plus, I don't look good in shorts. I'm definitely not bringing shorts.
These are athletic shorts.
Athletic? Oh, are you gonna run?
Yeah, I'm gonna run every day.
You're gonna run every day? Should I bring workout shoes? Oh, wait. What? Why did you just give me that look?
We should double check the weather.
I said, should I bring workout shoes? And Bart was like, well, I'm bringing my Nikes anyways.
Okay.
Because you never know. Hey Siri, what's the temperature in Florence right now?
It's 69 degrees right now in Florence, Italy.
Oh.
Okay. Let's look at the, why'd that do that?
Somebody need to bring some warm.
All right. Well, it's literally raining Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. But it's gonna be in the 70s, 60s, and like 50s.
Oh, man.
It's literally all over the place. Franny, are you happy you're gonna hang out with your dog sitter, Sonia? Are you excited?
Trying to give myself the option.
Yeah. All right, guys, gonna pack my carry-on here, getting my essentials ready. My laptop will go in there. This is like a little, these are gonna be my in-flight essentials. So I'm gonna have a little bit of moisturizer. Lip products here, guys. These are, because my lips get so dry when I'm flying. This is a new one I just got. This is literally just lip heaven. You guys, it's so thick and it just hydrates. I want like a big one of these, like just rub all over my face and my body. And then of course this Claude. Somebody broke it down for me how to say this, and I forgot. They commented for me, thank you. This is just a facial mist that I can spray throughout the flight. And then 2 lip colors in case I get bold and want to wear some lipstick when we land. And then, you guys, face mask, hello. I'm gonna do some sleeping, and I started this book and I wanna finish it. I don't even know what page I'm on. Oh, I'm right here. Aww. My mom and my brother. That's a picture. Oh my goodness, this is an old picture. This is a picture of my mom and my brother when, before my brother moved to Australia, over 8 years ago. Doesn't my mom look like me? Anyways, I want to finish this book and I haven't gotten very far on it. So I'm taking that. A look into this drawer of abyss. Guys, look! Look at progress. Yes. Quick break for lunch, guys. We ordered sandwiches. You guys, look at Franny. Look at him over here. Plopped himself right next to me, hoping for some lunch. Not happening, Franny. Progress to the fullest. Bart's almost done. That clothes just laundry that we're not taking. Sheets are cleaned. I gotta do the bed. So one thing that me and Bart always do before we go on vacation is we wash all the towels and all the bedding and sheets. That way we come home to a fresh bed where we can just like dive in. We don't have to worry about it being dirty or like having to wash the sheets, and fresh clean towels. We are coming along, you guys. It is about, I think it's about 1 o'clock, so we have about an hour and a half. We just finished lunch. Bart's giving Franny a bath. So he's nice and clean for the dog sitter. I'm going to make this bed while he's in there and then jump in the shower after them, and yeah, relax for a few moments before we go. Got a new bag to take with me. Wah! This bag was inspired by another YouTuber. Ooh. This is the brand. Ooh, so exciting. Nice. Ooh. Ooh, it's packed so cute. Ooh, adorable. I like it. So I like this bag, guys. It's a little bigger than, it's like medium size. It's not too big, it's not too small. So I wanted a bag that was kind of medium size, something that would hold my vlogging camera, and I just thought this was such a good bag for travel. So I went ahead and ordered it, and I think I will take this bag with me to Italy. I've been buying so many small bags, like little tiny bags, that they don't fit my camera and my lip glosses and everything. They only fit like one thing. Like this bag will only fit my camera. It won't fit my camera and my phone. The other one, this one I've been wearing a ton, but again, like it's so tiny, it only fits one or the other. So I was looking for kind of a medium bag, but not too big, because if my bag is much bigger than this, it starts hurting my shoulder. So I do a ton of walking. So I think this will be perfect.
You smell that?
Franny just got a bath and he's not happy. Look at him. Okay guys, look how cute it looks. Bart, get in our car. Dog walker, Sonia! Guys, they're always asking me if we have a dog walker, who takes care of Franny when we leave. Well, that's Franny's best friend. Me and Bart thinks he likes her more than us.
I don't think so. We need to see you guys.
It's so hard to leave Franny. Bart's like, you're gonna be such a worrying mom. You're never gonna want to leave your kids. I don't care. I'm glad at the dog walker. I scheduled it, so babe, is this our car? Nissan?
I don't know.
We're out here waiting for our car. Bart took us on an adventure. He made us cross the street. Okay, whew. Thank you. Oh no, I'll keep that. Whew. Thank you. Come on, babe.
Oh, you got no one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, just like okay.
Okay, off we go.
I have the 2G just in case, but I don't think I'll be anywhere remote.
Right after the other one.
Art's in a happy, wavy mood, but he's on the phone. He's trying to get cell service on, or like Wi-Fi service on his iPad. Whoa, look, the gang's all here. There's like 30 planes here, you guys. Does the sky just not look fake today? It is so beautiful. It looks like a painting, yeah.
We had an uneventful ride, which was good. We got left half an hour later than we needed to, or we should have, but we set a time that was way early, so we're good.
So we still got
So
here,
we still got here,
but there was a little traffic by the apartment.
which was okay. We got through it.
Yeah. You guys, this is such a nice terminal. Look at this restaurant. Like, this restaurant is nice. Look at, they even have these little things on here. I bet you that's how you order. Look at me. What are you guys doing over there? All right, Bart's off. Bart's off. We're gonna go to this store over here and try to find some snacks for the plane. Oh, see, I already see pistachios. Okay, guys. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna say goodnight because by the time we get to Italy, it'll be the next Vlogtober day. So Bart's in the bathroom. So Bart's not gonna say goodnight, but I am. Hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, here we go, here we go. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Oh, bye, guys.
Tschüss.
Tschüss. What's tschüss?
Tschüss.
Oh, German. Tschüss. Okay.